Hello friends. If you got bored of eating pesarattu, try these hacks for making pesarattu crispy and tasty. This looks like crispy dosa, but it's pesarattu. Whole family will enjoy the texture and taste like crispy dosa. I'm going to show 2 easy hacks with pesarattu batter. Check my video for no oil, easily digestible, more healthier version of pesarattu from description below. Here is my first hack. This is around 2 cups of pesarattu batter. I'm going to add half a cup dosa batter. Mix both batters well. Heat the dosa pan on stove. Pour batter and spread it evenly. As this is non-stick pan, there is no need to add oil at all. For crispy pesarattu, you need to keep it thin. Dosa batter with urad dal and rice will keep it crispy. Once it turns brownish on top, lift the edges. Roll the pesarattu without flipping other side. You can see how nicely you can roll the pesarattu. Enjoy crispy pesarattu with chutneys. Let's see the second hack, which is a healthy version. For 2 cups of pesarattu batter, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of another healthy ingredient, ragi flour. Check my video for homemade ragi flour from description. Instead of adding flour directly to batter, I'm going to mix it in water first to avoid lumps. Add it to the pesarattu batter and mix well. Once the pan is hot, pour batter and spread it to thin pesarattu. It's hard to roll this dosa as there is no starch from rice, so I'm going to cook both sides. As you see, it gets nice color from ragi. Hope you like my hacks with pesarattu. See you again with many more amazing healthy recipes and tips. Thanks for watching.